Are you having a good day today? You better be. You better be having a good day. No bad days. Actually, that's not true. You can have bad days. If you want to have a bad day. Welcome back to the Magic NGMI bus. I'm your host, Mr. Frizzled. NGMI is a show where I talk about lessons that I've learned as we're building our real business, Amarlo, which is an accounting company that helps other small businesses understand their finances better. If you like that or you want to learn more lessons, just hit that subscribe button. And then if you want to hear about any episodes that we release, just ding that notification bell and let's get started, okay? Thank you very much. So you run a small business, do ya? Do ya? Do you really run a small business? The thing that we've discovered with most small business owners is that they run their business when they first start out using feelings. I know what I'm doing. I have intuition about what I'm doing and I'm gonna make it work. I'm going to run this business and grow it into a multi-million-dollar operation with my brain. And you're smart, you know, you're an intelligent person. You know how to make a business work, you know how to sell things, you know how to, call people and deliver whatever product or service you might be delivering. But the money, that's a different story. So anyway, small business owners are scared, frightened, nervous, because money is a little frightening. Boo.
Stop it, Patrick, you're scaring him!
They're scared of understanding how much they actually make because it means that they'll have to change or adapt their business, or it might not be as successful as they think it is. So they just kind of keep running on this hamster wheel of, I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm doing.
I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm doing.
Without ever realizing that, well, all along they're probably losing money and not doing as well as they could be doing. There are 3 things that I want you to understand today about running your business that I think is gonna help, because it's really helped me in growing my business, Amarlo, the accounting company. And it's about accounting. It's that your finances actually tell a story, and they have some information that you need to run your business better. And reading those finances every month will help to make you a better business owner and equip you to make better decisions. And finally, it's that you probably need someone's help in order to accomplish those first 2 things. So what do I mean when I talk about finances telling a story? We use this phrase at Amarlo, it's understanding your financial story. And that just means that your finances, the way that you're spending money and making money, they actually have a purpose, and they actually tell a story about how your company is performing. Your finances have information about what's going on inside of your business. If you're hiring people, we can see that because your wages are increasing and you're spending more money. If you're experiencing a downturn in your business or things are slowing down, we can see that because you're making less money inside of your sales accounts. And we can see the bank deposits and the credit cards that you're paying. There's a lot of information that we can gather from your finances, and it's very important that you understand that.
Totally unrelated meme break. Totally unrelated meme break.
You see, understanding all of that information can help you grow your business into a bigger and better operation. Or it can just help you sustain things and make sure that you're making a comfortable amount of money every month. And when we understand our financial information, we can actually use that knowledge to then project out into the future and say, what would happen if I hired 3 more employees or bought this productivity software that'll help me save time and improve my margins? What would happen if I'm making 10 times more sales than I am right now? And what would that mean for my bottom line, my income, and how much money am I gonna make? And what am I gonna spend on taxes? And who am I gonna call when I find a ghost in my house? And anyways, but really it's just how are you, what's gonna happen in the future? What do you want to happen in the future? And then how are you gonna make that thing a reality by understanding what's happened in the past? That's the goal here. That's the goal of every business accountant, is to understand that simple thing. Really, it's not simple, it's very complex. So it's not enough just to know that your finances tell this story, but you actually have to actively read it and monitor it as it changes. As a small business owner who's trying to grow their business, you should be looking at your finances and looking at your books, your profit and loss, and a balance sheet every single month at a minimum. You see, the story that your business is telling you from that financial information that we were just talking about, it changes. Every single month it changes all of the time. You need to understand why it's changing and what to do about those changes so that you can reach your goals. If you're trying to grow your sales and you're having a lot of trouble trying to increase your sales numbers, you can see why on your finances, whether it's because of the marketing, whether it's the market conditions, whether it's something to do with the way that you're pricing your services, or just something different. It's in the financial information that you have as long as you analyze it correctly. You're a small business owner. I mean, you're really good at what you do, whether it's selling a product or providing a service or just helping people in general. But what you're not exactly trained to do is understand financial information. Your financial information contains a lot of insight about how your business is running and what you can do to improve it, but a lot of people don't actually know how to read their financial information or how to really understand it or what they should be looking for in the first place. And that is why you need to work with an accountant to figure it out. Someone who's more than a tax accountant, someone who can actually help you understand why you're spending money in the ways that you are and what that means for your business. At the end of the day, if you're trying to grow your business without first understanding where you're at, you're going to fail. Or you might grow your business and then realize that what you've created is actually a monster that's eating the world from inside out, and you need to take a step back and fix everything. Understanding your finances and the story that they tell helps to go a long way in eliminating all of the fear that comes with running a business. And that is why you need to understand your finances as a small business owner. Please, just make an effort. Oh, I'm just so tired of people looking at their bank account and thinking that, like that's enough. It's like, man, like, how do you live? How do you live? You probably don't. Maybe you do. Maybe you're fine. But probably not. Good day, bad day, mediocre day, shit day, Felix day, today day, day, whatever kind of day you want to have, just have it, Just have your day.